Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent user logon with temporary profile in Windows 10. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click Computer Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click System. Click User Profiles. Open, do not log users on with temporary profiles. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.